Unraveling the Deals, the meaning of end-of-line sale. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have seen while shopping or browsing online. End-of-line sale. This term can be a little confusing, especially if English isn't your first language. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it like a pro in your shopping adventures. The phrase, end-of-line sale, refers to a discount event where retailers sell products that are going out of stock and won't be replenished. It's a final chance for customers to buy these products, often at a reduced price. Retailers do this to clear out inventory, making room for new stock. It's a win-win. Buyers get great deals, and sellers free up shelf space. You'll often find end-of-line sale in retail, both in physical stores and online. It's a common term during seasonal changes when new product lines are coming in. For instance, a clothing store might have an end-of-line sale at the end of winter to clear out coats and sweaters before spring merchandise arrives. When you see an end-of-line sale, it's a great opportunity to grab products at a lower price. However, be mindful. Limited stock. The items are usually in limited quantities, so it's first come, first served. No returns. Sometimes, these sales are final, meaning you can't return the product. Always check the store's policy. Quality check. Ensure the products are in good condition. Since it's end of line, there might not be replacements available. And there you have it. Now you know all about end-of-line sale and how to navigate these deals like a savvy shopper. We hope this video helps you make the most of your shopping experiences. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.